Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to fry an egg step by step. Frying an egg is a simple yet satisfying skill. First, gather your tools: a non-stick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl. You'll also need fresh eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, and salt and pepper. Proper preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Let's get started with preheating our pan over medium-low heat. Now let's get to the cooking. Melt about 1 tablespoon of butter or add your preferred oil to the preheated pan. Crack an egg into a small bowl first. This helps prevent shell fragments. Gently slide the egg from the bowl into the hot pan. Cook the egg for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the egg whites to set completely around the yolk. Keep an eye on the edges for a slight crisp. The yolk is where personal preference truly shines. For a classic sunny side up, simply cook until the whites are firm and the yolk remains beautifully runny. If you prefer an over-easy egg, gently flip it with your spatula and cook for just about 30 seconds on the other side. For a slightly firmer, over-medium yolk, cook for approximately 1 minute after flipping. It's all about your perfect consistency. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, it's time for the finishing touches. Season your freshly fried egg generously with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Carefully slide the perfectly cooked egg onto your plate using your spatula. Serve it immediately alongside your favorite breakfast accompaniments like crispy toast, creamy avocado, or savory bacon. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fried egg.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.